Hi everyone, I'm Jessica, a Recipient Solutions Manager here at Cochlear. Today we are going to talk about how to clean and maintain your Cochlear Baha 7 sound processor, as well as how to change the battery and the battery door. Let's get started. To clean your Baha 7 sound processor, you will want to use the Baha Sound Processor Cleaning Kit and accompanying directions. First, wipe the sound processor with a soft cloth to remove dirt or sweat. Then, use the soft brush to gently remove dirt and debris from the processor's snap coupling. The Mini Super Dri-Aid kit can be used to store your processor overnight to help remove moisture if it gets wet or is exposed to prolonged humidity. For more cleaning supplies, including the Baha Sound Processor Cleaning Kit and the Mini Super Dri-Aid kit, visit the online Cochlear store. When it's time to change your Baha 7 sound processor battery, you will hear 4 beeps twice in a row, and the indicator light will flash rapidly to indicate low battery. To change your battery, simply open the battery door by pulling on the small tab at the bottom. Then, remove the battery from the battery door. Next, remove the tab from a new battery and place it positive side up into the battery door compartment. For optimal battery life, ensure to wait 1 minute before closing the battery door to allow the battery to activate, as it needs airflow to properly start. When closing the battery door, you should feel 2 clicks. If this is a child's device, there may be a tamper-proof battery door. Check the user manual for more information. To change out the standard battery door for a tamper-proof battery door, use the battery door tool in your kit to push on the inside of the door at the hinge and pull it out. Then take the tamper-proof battery door and snap it into place on the hinge and close the battery door. We hope you now have a better understanding of how to maintain your sound processor and change the battery. Please watch our other Baha 7 sound processor videos to learn more about your device. Thanks for watching.